How to transfer cryptocurrency from CoinMarketCap. If you wish to transfer crypto from one CoinMarketCap account to other crypto wallet addresses, first let's just take a bank account as an example. So when you're trying to send money from one bank account to another, you usually need the recipient's bank account number, and you also need either the QR code. Similar is the case on any cryptocurrency platform. You need the recipient's deposit address or the the QR code. Now what you have to do is just launch the CoinMarketCap app, log into our respective account, and from the bottom of the menu go to the portfolio tab. If you have already set a transaction, that's perfectly fine, but to transfer it we have to begin a new transaction. So tap on new transaction here, then simply add the transaction. So depending upon what you want to transfer, if I want to transfer Bitcoin, I will select Bitcoin. By default I'll be on the buying page, but what you want to do is switch to the transfer page. You can see, enter the amount that you wish to transfer, the amount of Bitcoin. You can see all the transfer in with this account or transfer out, whatever else it is. Just select the price range, the fee, that everything that is going to be associated with it. You can select that, then tap on add transaction. Then once you've created a transaction, once someone accepts your transaction order, then you'll be able to successfully transfer your cryptocurrency to other wallet. That's all it takes for us to transfer crypto on CoinMarketCap. I hope that this video pretty much helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.